Gold rates shoot up every time the world is a mess. But why does gold rise so much in uncertain times, especially in India? Let's break it down. Number one, inflation versus gold. Let's do the math. From 2012 to 2025, India's average inflation stayed between 5% to 6.7% a year. That means every single year, your money silently lost around 5 to 6% of its buying power. Now look at gold. 30,000 in 2012, 1 lakh in 2025. That's a 3.3 times return. Sounds great, right? But over 13 years, that's just around 9% CAGR. Now subtract average inflation. Your real return barely 3%. Gold didn't make you rich, it just made sure inflation didn't make you poor. So when there is economic tension or recession talk, people don't rush to gold to make money, they run to it so they don't lose money. Number two, rupee depreciation. Gold is priced in USD globally. India imports most of its gold. So when the rupee weakens, gold gets more expensive for us, even if international prices don't move. For example, in 2012, $1 is 55 rupees. In 2025, $1 is 83 rupees and above. That's a 50% rupee depreciation in 13 years. So part of the gold return you are seeing, it's not because gold is booming, it's because the rupee is bleeding. Central banks are hoarding gold too. After COVID and the Ukraine war, central banks from China to Turkey to India started buying record levels of gold. From 2022 to 2024, alone central banks bought over 2,200 tons of gold globally. That's the highest ever recorded. Why? To hedge against currency risks, sanctions, dollar volatility, and political shocks. Last but not the least, geopolitical fear. Russia-Ukraine war, gold surged. Israel-Gaza tension spiked again. US 2024 elections, demand ripples. Oil shocks, rate cuts, China slowdown, gold reacts every time. Because when people lose faith in cash, banks, or governments, they don't invest. They seek shelter. So next time someone says gold is booming, ask this. What's breaking behind the scenes? Because gold doesn't rise when the world is okay. It rises when the world is scared. Follow for more.